Hey everyone, it's an episode of Cooking with Kai. I'm Mike Kai.
I'm Carrie Kai.
And today we've got an old-fashioned favorite of my mom's, Carrie's mom, and maybe your mom too. It's cucumber salad, right?
Yes,
And what do you have to say about that, Carrie?
it's very tasty.
Really tasty. So we hope you're hunkered down, locked down. I don't think it's going to last much longer because either they're going to release us or we're going to all kill each other. So, yeah, it's like, this is a true test of a marriage, though, isn't it?
It is.
It is, really. And so far, Carrie, despite my fears, has done well. Yeah, I thought for sure that either I would have to be institutionalized by now. No, we're just kidding, of course. But we hope you're all healthy and happy. Isn't she great? I would marry her just because she laughs at my stupid jokes.
He's pretty funny.
So, well, looks aren't everything. So here we'll get right to it, folks, because we know you're on the edge of your seats, you're bored out of your mind. And a Cooking with Kai episode is exactly what you needed.
Yes. Yeah,
Right? Don't you think?
absolutely.
Yeah, I mean, it even lifts up our spirits to be able to do this. We're up to 4 viewers now on YouTube. No, I think we hit 5.
Oh,
What is she? See? She's behind me so she can I wouldn't be surprised if she did this behind my head.
what? What are you talking
Do I know her or what? So anyway, this is what we have here. Carrie, you want to describe the ingredients?
Sure, Michael. It looks like we've used some delicious cucumber, English cucumber, not the regular American kind. The sour cream,
Yes.
light sour cream, even better.
Light sour cream.
Some delicious ground black pepper, rice vinegar, some tomatoes, a little pinch of sugar, and some delicious green onions from Aldi.
That's right. And you mix it all up. We're going to put some cellophane over it. Put it in the fridge to let it chill a little bit while we're cooking the rest of the meal. And that's it. Right? So I think we're in good shape, right? So that's all we have for you today. Oh, we have a taste test. We have been chastised for not tasting our food after we cook it and giving a review. So here's for all you haters.
We're ready. Looks good, Michael.
We don't have any haters. We either unfriend them or block them. Yeah, that's our motto. Okay,
You
here
gonna
we
dink
go.
it?
Oh, well,
Ready?
we could dink it. It might
Dink
go all
it.
over the floor. Wow. What does it need? Not bad.
It needs me to eat it.
There you have it, folks. I'm Mike Kai.
I'm Carrie Kai.
We hope you're doing good. God bless. Take care.